Okay, it's now Friday. Friday morning still. We got phone calls yesterday about a duck with a chronic erection. The jokes and humor unfolded for us. Okay, you know those commercials on TV that says if you have an erection for more than 4 hours, you should call a doctor. Do you know how many men have laughed at that commercial? It said, if I had an erection that cost less than 4 hours, I would not be calling a doctor. Well, this guy didn't call anybody. Sucks for him. But his erection is going on 24 hours. Anyway, we're going to pick this guy up just a second where you can see it, and I'll get pictures. And this guy, I'm already in the exam room with the client's help. I've already put it back in once, and within seconds it popped back out. So Viagra really works for this dude. So we're going to pop his penis back into place, his phallus. And once his phallus is in, we're going to put a first string in that area and hopefully keep it in a little bit longer and allow some of the inflammation to go away. And whatever Viagra he snuck into, honey coffee, really bad, will wear off. Okay, that's it. Later. All right, this is today our Viagra ducky overdose. Can I get that face on video?
No.
No? All right, because that's a good one. All right. It's really funny every time we get one of these guys in because the client will look at me and go, I didn't know ducks had phalluses. I had no idea they had that kind of information on them. Anyway, so with that in mind, we're going to go ahead and put this back up inside with some rather gingerly. It's got worms on it. That's not worms on it. That's like little prickly hairs. Think of them as French ticklers.
I'm telling you. Look up. In there.
You're crazy.
Look, do it again. No, I'm serious. Do it again. They're right there. Your finger just touched one. Your finger was on it. I'm not kidding you. See it? Do you not see that? Now just run around it.
You crazy.
I'm telling you.
What are you,
it's on your finger now.
Things?
It's on your finger.
Okay, all right. You're right on that one. A whatty whacker?
A wormy whacker.
Wormy whacker? All right. So we're going to do a duck wormy whacker repair. You're a trendsetter. Who knows? Alright, here we are post-op. Our buddy is rather uncomfortable with his suture, but that's what's going to happen. Oh, stop pushing. Ugh. If you break a suture, I'm going to be pissed. Yes, pissed. Pissed, I tell you. Don't do it. And here we are post-op. Pull the suture out in a few days. Still on some antibiotics. All should be well.